Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to pay hotel in booking.com. Now once you're at the page of booking.com website, so just choose the date, choose the person, choose the location and just click on search and it will start searching some hotels for you at your specific location. Now once you are able to see the hotels, as you can see, like Hotel Aladdin in Karachi, like this is the first hotel. You can see everything, all the details like free cancellation and no prepayment needed. As you can see, like for this hotel, you don't need to pay in advance. Now you can see like you just need to pay at the property. Now I will open this, and the second one is you can see like free cancellation, but now they're not offering the prepay sorry, the free no prepayment. So basically they will need payment before you just go to the hotel in advance. So as you can see, like this is the hotel that is asking for payment. You can just choose the room, say see the price and just click on I'll reserve, so your room will be reserved. Now I will show you both of the hotels step by step. Now as you can see, you can just choose the see the price, whatever you free cancellation pay at the property before arrival. So that is basically a kind of policy for them. And once you click on reserve, select the amount as well, just click on the guest and I'll reserve. Once you click on reserve, so let it load. It will take you to the second page where you can just add rest of the details. Now make sure to fill out all the details that they are asking for and scroll down, and the end make sure to fill out every essential detail. Next, and let me just enter my personal details as well, the phone number. And once you enter those details, just click on next. And once you click on next, it might take a few seconds to load. So let it load. As you can see, like pay when you stay. So this is basically they're asking for the advance payment. How would you like to pay? So you can choose the card holder details, enter the card number, the CVC, all those details, and just click on complete booking, and you will be charged this amount. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can pay on booking.com. That is your choice. Some hotels might ask you in advance, some hotel might take the payment at the property. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.